I am Shaktivel from Avinashi doing Hosiery yarn business. I did BTech Textile Technology in Bannariam Institute of Technology during the period 97 to 2001. Our campus is good in infrastructure. Each and every foot of the campus is legendly designed with stone masonry and fully green environment. Classrooms. Regarding the infrastructure, classrooms. Classroom is widely spaced, well aerated, lighted, and is comfortable for learning. And we have excellent seminar halls which is acoustically designed where various personalities from various departments came and gave lecture in the seminar halls. And library. First we have a common library. In that library, at the period of study, I am a second batch of student passed out from Bannariam Institute of Technology. At that time, we have a common library. In common library, we have nearly 160 magazines are available in various departments: mechanical, electrical, electronics and engineering, computer science and textile technology. And common departments like better photography, inside outside, interiors, Bannariam and Gramya Seidhimalar. Like we have many more magazines, and dailies we got many dailies in English and Tamil. And we have excellent laboratories in various departments: physics, chemistry, carpentry, workshop, fitting, electrical and electronics, computer science engineering lab. In my textile technology department, we have spinning lab, weaving lab, processing lab, testing lab. In spinning lab, we have a mini spinning mill right from blow room to winding department. All the machines we had in good running conditions, and in the weaving laboratory we have conventional power looms, terry looms, then jacquard looms, drawbox looms, and automatic looms, airjet looms, rapier looms, and then 2TC looms, a pearl winding machine, and a circular knitting machine we had in weaving laboratory. And then in processing lab, we have a sample dyeing machine, a small soft flow machine we have. In testing laboratory, we can test fiber, yarn, fabric. Fiber testing, we have bare sorter equipment, and for testing of yarn, we have count tester, strength tester, appearance testing like American Standard Testing Method ASTM boards. And then regarding fabric, we have tearing tester, strength tester. All the laboratories are we have well calibrated equipments. The machineries what we had in testing laboratories are the equipments what we had in research laboratories and commercial testing centers. What the equipments we had in commercial testing laboratories and in research laboratories we had in our campus. Next, I have to say, in college they have provided a very good drinking waters and proper sanitized restrooms in the whole campus. Now I have to say about hostel facilities. I am a hosteler, and 90% of the people at the time when I was studying are hostelers. Most of the students are from Tamil Nadu, Andhra and Kerala. The college management has allotted students in a room of various departments. This helps the students can share their views from their departments to other department roommates. I have with me a mechanical man and two electrical department fellows. So each and every day what we share is they can share their views from their departments, so we can update knowledge from other departments. Then I come to mess. We have excellent mess, a world class mess. It is excellently designed. Our beloved chairman wishes a healthy body as a healthy mind. So in order to achieve healthy body, he provided a proper menu. So it makes the healthy food makes a man healthy man, and it gives healthy ideas and healthy mind. So the menu for morning breakfast and night dinner, we have 2 dishes, and in the for the lunch they have provided full meals, and we have extracurricular activities like yoga, football, volleyball, cricket, table tennis, carom, chess, everything we had in our campus. Then I have to say about the learning process. Learning process, we have excellent professors, lectures and attenders for the laboratories, well experienced in not in teaching, also in industries they got much experience, so they made our learning process very good. At the time when I was studying, the learning is very spoon-feed type. Now I heard, when I occasionally visit to the college for my alumni activities, I heard that now they have switched over to CLM technology. CLM methodology means creative learning methodology. Also, I have to say one more word regarding library. Library, now they have shifted to a new library where even alumni members can access library with the RFID card. That with the RFID card we can even access online magazines, and we can even access, they are now planning also even access books from our residence itself. Next I have to say a very important point. At the time of my study, during the 4 years, we even don't have any uninterrupted power. A single minute has not been, there is no shutdown of power. The powerhouse maintains proper power in classrooms, laboratories and in hostels. Mess, everywhere they played an important role. We have enjoyed a lot during our course of study. Then I have to come to my beloved chairman sir. He is like a godfather. We, the students of Banariamman, most of the people used to stay in hostel. It's home away from home. In our home we had father, but in Banariamman home we had our godfather, chairman sir. There is a saying in Tamil, Avayattu Mundiru Pachayal. His efforts means what it means is his effort makes the best in the world. He makes us the best in the world. He took various efforts, brought various personalities in various fields like yoga. He brought various personalities and we got training in yoga, and various personalities in personality development classes. language laboratories. This personality development classes gave training in how to behave in placement cell and body language. Not only this personality developments not only for placement but also makes an entrepreneurs. All the outgoing students are not placing. Most of the fellows, nearly 40 to 50% of the students are emerging as an entrepreneur. And those entrepreneurs also, when at this time of personality development classes, they are brought up in a very good manner, and the classes makes him a gem in the business. Now I heard at the time of my course, we got 100% placement in all the departments. Now in the recent times, I heard that 300% placements and the students are average getting placed in leading MNCs and in various core companies. And I heard that heard from the students, placed students, that they have placed with an average salary of 14 lakhs per annum in some companies to a least of 6 lakhs per annum in some companies. I think it's a very good response for the students. I would like to thank the management of the institute, our chairman sir, our principal sir, various faculties of various departments, non-teaching staffs who have supported me and the students of Banariamman to grow in an excellent way. And I wish this Banariamman Institute of Technology to emerge as a very good university in the forthcoming year. Thank you.